Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Astu Burung. I'm back. Yeah, me. I have this 2015 Toyota Highlander, and I'm gonna show you, like a pro, how to replace the front brakes and the rear brakes. That include the rotor and the brake pads, front and back. Alright. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this like a pro. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit destroy bang hard the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video. Maybe someone in your hood has Toyota Highlander. Give it to them. Give it to her. They're going to appreciate it. So am I. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright, don't forget about that. Anything related to this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Before I get into the action, again, I want to say thank you, shout outs to my new subscribers, all subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. I appreciate all that. Where would I be without you? Thanks a lot. Now let's get into this project. I hope you like it, enjoy. Like I said, if you have any questions, put in the comment box for me, alright? And after this, I'm gonna catch you up. Okay? Alright, holla at your boy. Let's get it. Wait, hold up for a second, good? You thought I forgot? I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a technician, a mechanic, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Alright, catch up. Don't forget to wear your safety glasses, your safety goggles, and your gloves. Alright, let's get it. Boom. Now, yeah, these are the two bolts that I hold the caliper onto the bracket. Alright, and the bracket has two bolts also. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the two bolts that hold the caliper by using a 14mm socket. Okay, you can use a ratchet or a wireless, brushless ratchet, electric ratchet. If you wanna speed the process. Yeah, once we remove the bolts, we're gonna remove the caliper. You can hang it with a hook by the struts, or you can just put it on top of the rotor. Just be careful, okay? This caliper is very rusty. Alright. Now you see these springs. These springs keep the brake pads away from the rotor so they don't stick on the rotor. Alright, we're gonna remove those springs. Then we're gonna remove this messed up brake pads. As you can see, they metal to metal against the rotor. That's the reason why we're replacing the brakes. Yeah, and we're gonna replace the rotor as well, because the rotor got in contact with the brake pad. Okay, and it damaged the rotor. So we'll remove the brake pads. Now we're gonna remove the bracket. Once we remove the bracket with a 17mm wrench, you can use a wrench, a socket with an impact gun, or breaker board. Whatever is better for you. Know what I'm saying? So we'll remove these bolts that hold the bracket. Once we remove the bracket, make sure you brush the rust off the bracket hardware. Alright, once you do that, you can grease them again, re-grease them. If the hardware is messed up, you have to replace them. Alright, check for the sliders, make sure they go in and out with no problem. If they kind of stick, you know what to do. Remove them, clean them, and re-grease them. Yeah, now we're gonna push back the piston, the caliper piston, light so. You see it's rusty, you can spray some WD-40. And now we're gonna remove the rotor by hitting it with a hammer. Okay, like so. You also can brush the rust off the wheel bearing assembly so the brand new rotor sit perfectly on it. Yeah, I mean, now like I said, once we install the rotor, we're gonna put the bracket back. Like I said, don't forget to brush the rust off the bracket hardware. Once you do all that, grease them, grease the sliders, grease the hardware, put the 2 bolts that hold the bracket on the knuckle. Alright, now we proceed to put the safeties on the brake pads. These are the safeties. This guy's gonna let you know when it's time to replace the brake pads. They're gonna make a sound every time you brake. Okay, so we put in light soap and then we installed it on the bracket. Alright, now once we install the brake pads, we're gonna put the springs, the brackets, whatever you want to call these guys. Okay, hold tight the brake pads, because if you don't, then this spring is gonna kick it out the bracket, because that's its function. Yeah, I mean, now once you set them up like this, get the caliper ready so you can mount it and put back the 2 bolts that hold the caliper on the bracket. And that's pretty much it for the front brakes. Now we go to the back, to the rear brakes. The process is the same. Okay, we're gonna hit the 2 bolts that hold the caliper, then we're gonna remove the brake pads, then we're gonna hit the 2 bolts that hold the bracket. Once we do that, we'll remove the rotor. Once we remove the rotor, clean the hardware, re-grease it, check the sliders, put everything back, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so once you put everything back, you put the tires back, torque it to specs, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pad until it gets hard. The first step's gonna be soft, but then after that it's gonna get hard. Once you do that, open the hood, go to the front, to the engine compartment, look for the brake fluid reservoir, check the fluid level. If it is low, top it off with some .3, .4. Make sure it's good, put everything back, close the hood. Now road test the vehicle. Road test the vehicle and listen for noises that are coming from the brakes. Okay, noises that are coming from the front or from the back. If you don't hear anything, then you're good. But if you hear something, you have to remove the tires and make sure everything is good. Okay, and then road test it again. But if you don't find no weird noises at all, that's pretty much it. You all set. You did it great. Alright, I want to give shout outs to my new subscribers, all subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? Alright, this is it. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit it hard, bang it, do the same with the like button, share this video. Maybe your friend, someone in your hood has a Toyota Highlander, give it to them. They're gonna appreciate it, so am I. And the feedback, now I'm saying, if I did anything wrong, put it in the comment box, let me know. Maybe you have a different type of procedure for this project. I'm saying maybe you do it different. Let me know how you do it. And that's it. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Other than that, I wanna encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, a technician. I'm saying, because I haven't seen that many females, that ladies out here in the field. I'm saying, so don't be afraid. It's like any other job, but way better. Alright, because you're gonna learn every day. Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave you right here. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Have a good day. I see you in the next one. And holla at your boy, Burung. Astuvo. I'm out. Clacking out. Meow.